Hey guys, I'm gonna be real quick today on our Fun Fact Friday. Picked up this great tip this week and I want to share it with you guys, especially for you guys that are looking for cash buyers and build your buyers list. Check out this quick little tip here. Don't mind my family in the background. We're about to go out and take the kids. They gotta do some things with some banking and stuff like that. But this quick tip here, real quick, for your Fun Fact Friday, your Real Estate Wholesale Fun Fact Friday, is if you're looking for cash buyers, you're looking to build that buyers list. Hey Diana, hey Garrity, hey what's up? Project, what's that? Project Alpha Group. All right, Transparency REI. So here's your quick tip for you, and I am going to get out of here. If you're looking for buyers, go to your area Facebook group. So go in, let's just say if you're in Atlanta, go to Atlanta Real Estate Investors Groups in Facebook. Just search that. Search Atlanta Real Estate Investors Facebook Groups. Search that. When you see all of those real estate investor groups pop up, the next thing you're going to do is in the search icon, type in buyers list or buyer list. Once you put that in the search, it's going to search every post that had something to do with buyers list. So I'll give you an example. If I posted 7 years ago, hey Atlanta, I'm calling out all of my Atlanta real estate investors. I have this property here. If you're interested, shoot me your email. Or, hey Atlanta, I'm building my buyers list. If you're looking for off-market deals, shoot me your email. Every post that has buyers list in it will pop up, and you'll be able to scrape every last one of those posts that have those buyers' emails in there. So that's a quick way for you to build your buyers list. Believe me, it works. I tried it. I did it myself. I went in and I typed in Phoenix buyers list and Phoenix Real Estate Investors Group, put buyers list. Every post that discussed buyers and buyers list that had emails popped up. I was able to have my VA to go in there and scrape all of those emails. We got hundreds of emails absolutely free right there and built that buyers list. So you can do it in any market. You can do it in your market. Only thing you have to do, again, listen to me, is go to Facebook, search real estate investors groups for your area. Again, Atlanta Real Estate Investors Groups. Once that pops up, all of the groups, pick a group. Then in the icon, the search icon, put buyers list. Hit search. Every post with buyers list in it, including people's emails, will come up. So there you go. I wanted to give you your quick tip and your fun fact for this Friday. Get out there, do it. And also respond to this and let me know once you do it how many emails you were able to pull. I just want to see if it's working in your area. So I had a mentor share that with me, and they're doing over 100 deals a year. So I'm looking to get my weight up in some of these markets. So, man, blaze the same trail that we're blazing. Do the same thing that we're doing. That way you can start closing deals. All right, Marcus Maloney, Equity King, signing off. This is your Fun Fact Friday. Hey, I welcome you guys. Thank you. If you're looking for contracts, if you're looking for anything, remember, go to marcusemaloney.com. And then also, if you didn't listen to this week's podcast that aired on Monday, you better check it out. Mike Simmons, the author of Level Up, is doing $1 million a year in transactions wholesale in Detroit. So all my Detroit players, you guys better get out there and learn from Mike Simmons. You better get out there and learn how to do 100 deals a year. This is one of my goals. I'm working towards attaining that, and I'm going to have you to join me on this journey. All right, guys, enjoy your weekend. Enjoy your time. Get out there, make some equity happen. Remember, always to enjoy the journey. Guys, love you. Peace.